Welcome to Palani, a sacred town known for its divine vibes, breathtaking views, and of course, the iconic Palani Subramanya Swami Temple. But today we're taking you on a different kind of pilgrimage, a food journey to one of the most famous bakeries in town, MDS Bakes. Nestled near the temple, this humble bakery has captured the hearts and taste buds of devotees and travelers alike. And the star of the show? Their legendary banana chips. It all starts here with the finest raw bananas, carefully selected for the perfect crunch. Each banana is peeled with skill and precision, ensuring only the best make it to the fryer. Watch this, a quick swipe through the slicer and in seconds, we have these perfectly thin, uniform banana slices, ready for their sizzling transformation. Now here's where the magic happens. The banana slices dive into hot, pure coconut oil, giving them that signature crispiness and rich aroma. The sizzling sound? That's the sound of perfection in the making. The chips are gently stirred and flipped until they reach that beautiful golden hue. But the secret to their irresistible taste? Just the right amount of salt, or sometimes a hint of spice depending on the variety. And there you have it, fresh, crispy, and packed to perfection. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a regular, no trip to Palani is complete without grabbing a pack of these mouth-watering banana chips. One bite and you'll know why MDS Bakes is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. So next time you're in Palani, don't forget to stop by and experience the crunch. If you love this behind-the-scenes look, hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting food journeys. Until next time, keep exploring and keep munching.